All right, if you are looking for a way to turn off your account balance not showing on your MoniePoint app, and you have going to know how the first process of you going to settings, finding where to write where they write at hide balance, and you toggle hide balance before you come back to your home page of the MoniePoint app to see that your balance is hide. And if you want to on it again, the same thing. Oh, after watching this video, you're going to discover that that method is now outdated. So there's a new method of how you can hide your account balance on MoniePoint, so that people or how you do it will not be able to see your balance. Now, what you have to do first of all is update your app on Play Store. If you're using an Android phone, you go to Google Play Store and update your app. If you're using an iPhone, go to App Store and update your app. Update your app to the latest version of the MoniePoint mobile app. You're able to see this outlook and feature that I'm about to show you on your MoniePoint app. So guys, you open your MoniePoint app, you log in. So when you log in, sorry for that, my data was not on before, so now just turn on my data. When you log into the MoniePoint app, it takes you to the dashboard of the MoniePoint homepage. So you can now see there's an easy way. Before, you have to go to settings, look for hide balance, hide and come back. But now with the recent update from MoniePoint app, you can easily toggle the on and off of this eye icon on this your app, and you can see your balance or hide your balance on the MoniePoint app. This is the most easiest and slickest look of MoniePoint now, so you don't need to start navigating looking for how to do that in your MoniePoint app, whether on the personal, the mobile, using Android phone, using iPhone, or whatever device you are using. Once you update your MoniePoint app to the latest version, you can just come and right before you off and on your balance. It reflects on everywhere that figures are showing, both on your cashback, referral, balance, transaction history, and the likes. So once you off and on that, it hides everything. So if you're a content creator, you're making content like just like me, or any other purpose that you are sharing your account publicly and you want to just hide your balance, or you don't even like seeing your balance, people like us, yeah, you can just hide your balance. Yes. So a bonus tip to this, you can hide your balance and unhide your balance. A bonus tip is that if you also look at this screen, say that last updated 1 minute ago. Now this is to tell you when your account balance was updated. So if someone sent you money and you see the money has not reflected your account, you can just refresh and it will read up the last time is updated and the current balance will be updated. I hope this video was helpful. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, share this video. Peace out.